Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar also in one. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching my cooking show and my juice bar show, and also my food news channel. All of these make a lot to Chef Ricardo and the team. I basically want to take the time out to say, guys, you know what I mean, it wasn't for me, it was for you. Alright, so I'm going to make a simple little salad today. You know what I mean, I like to make salad, and you know what I mean, I like to make juice and all these things. I like to make fresh things, like, and a simple salad that's the fans and can make it at home and enjoy the recipe also. What I'm going to make today is going to be just basic stuff which I'm going to be using as usual. I'm always using my basic stuff to make my salad. So basically I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe, sit back, watch the video, and leave a comment in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so stay tuned while we make you a lovely, fantastic salad. So lovely guys, so basically this is my mixed leaf right here. I'm always making this kind of salad because I love my salad. Alright, and I got 2 medium-sized tomato right here, which I'm going to be doing this just like this, cut them into 4. And I'm going to be mixing up a mix-up salad today guys. So hopefully you guys will definitely 100% love the salad. And please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, so that's the tomato. And also we have roughly about 1/4 cucumber, which I'm going to be using so inside of it, just to bring in a little bit of flavor to it guys. These are just basic stuff where I normally use to make my salad at home. Spring onion, can't go wrong, and I love my spring onion. Right, I have avocado, and for safety I'm just going to be showing my fans what you need to do when you're at home and you're doing your avocado. Please use a table knife, cut it down like this, just like this, and across inside of it use a teaspoon, simply scrape it out, get rid of all of the stuff on the inside. Wow, this bit doesn't good. Not this bit. Whoa, my avocado I paid so much money for. No. Alright, lovely and nice. So anyway, that's how it go. Then I'm gonna do the next bits of avocado. Then half of avocado. Pay so much money for my avocado, and this is what happened. Alright, but anyway, I love my avocado. So that's the other half of our avocado guys, which I just scrape out, as you can see, looking lovely, but that's not the way I did want it to be. But anyway guys, what I'm gonna do now, I have some, this is my yellow pepper. Anyway, just gonna use my small knife. And normally I use my big knife to cut up stuff, but I'm just using my small knife just to cut up all of these right here. Nice and lovely. I love this little knife. I use it for everything guys, very sharp. Lovely. Nice one. So all of that is there. Next thing what we need to do is put a little bit of chili. I love chili, honestly. A little bit of pepper. Nice one. These are my favorite stuff right now I'm gonna use to do my stuff at home here. So guys, if you don't mind, you can pop a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you like to use. It's up to you guys. what you like to use in your salad. But for Chef Ricardo, I normally use my stuff like this. And what I'm gonna do is basically massage it up, and then it will bring in that lovely, fantastic color to it, you know what I mean? Alright. So what I'm gonna do next is place it on a plate. Make it come in lovely and nice. And I know you guys will love this salad. Really, really nice. So this I can just put on a plate for everyone to enjoy. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right now. Really nice. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Beautiful recipe. Please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time with a lot more recipe like this. Bye bye.